Hello everyone, my name is Vidhan Agrawal, an alumnus of JBIMS. There's one thing that you would have always heard about JBIMS, which is the CEO factory. And today in this video, we'll be discussing why JBIMS is known as the CEO factory. Over the years, it has built a strong legacy and reputation for excellence. Now, JBIMS alumni are just not successful in India, but internationally as well. Notable alumni would be Mr. Ajay Piramal, who is the chairman of the Piramal Group, Nitin Paranjpe, CEO Unilever, and many others. So, this powerful alumni network helps with immense support and mentorship for the students of JBIMS. The second point would be strategic location and industry connections. So, JBIMS is located in the heart of Mumbai, which is the financial capital, and being in Mumbai, it has access to all the top companies and their headquarters. Because of that, JBIMS hosts a lot of workshops, guest lectures, many business insights, events. So that is another thing. The third one is rigorous curriculum and practical approach. So unlike many B schools, JBIMS doesn't focus on the theory. It focuses more on the practical part and make sure that the students gain immense practical knowledge that can be incorporated down the line to become the business leaders. They do this by giving students a lot of freedom in doing what kind of activities they want to perform in the college, who they want to call, and what kind of events they want to host. That is another point. The next point would be the selective admission process. Now, you already know that out of 1 lakh people, hardly 100, 150 students get into JBMS. So it's not a small thing. And because you would be with the top 150 students in India in this B school, you start becoming like-minded, and this helps you become future leaders. You think in a certain way, you do things in a certain way, and you try to incorporate the best qualities of your peers in yourself. So this helps you grow and become a better leader. And the fifth point would be focus on entrepreneurship and leadership development. Now JBIMS is known for cultivating an entrepreneurial mindset amongst its students. And many of the students later down the line go on starting their own ventures. Now the institute emphasizes on the leadership skills through various case competitions, clubs, the workshops, and the many guest lectures that the MDs and the CEOs of these companies come and give at JBIMS because of the strategic location again. The sixth one would be the strong placement reports. Now, when you get graduated from JBIMS, you're not just getting a normal job. You start at a position which is higher than what roles the students of other B schools are offered. So this gives you an edge, and also people who are at a very senior position in these companies would most likely be from JBMS, because again for its strong legacy and because JBMS was started in 1965. So again this gives you an edge over other B schools. That is another reason why JBIMS is known as the CEO factory. And finally, impressive track records of producing top leaders. Now, the things that we talked about are just theory, but to actually feel that JBIMS has been producing CEOs and the MDs, you can just have a look at the track record. All the top leaders in almost all the sectors like banking, finance, consulting, and FMCG, you'll see leaders from JBIMS. The consistent track record has reinforced the perception that JBIMS students are naturally inclined towards leadership roles and are capable of steering organizations through complex business landscapes. So I would like to conclude this video by just saying that JBIMS is called the CEO factory because of its legacy, strategic industry connections, rigorous curriculum, and the success of its alumni in the top leadership positions. Now, if you want to get into JBIMS, you still have a few months left. If you haven't started preparation, you can always join the top percentile. Here at top percentile, we, the students of JBIMS, teach the exact tricks and tips that we had used to crack CET. So those are recorded videos, and along with that, we also have live lectures which are again taken by the toppers of CET. With that, we also have mock series by the top percentile, which was made by the toppers themselves. With that, the mentorship sessions, the doubt solving sessions taken by the toppers of CET itself. If you have any doubt, you can just call or text us on the number which is given in the description. If not, you can even text us on Instagram, for which again it is there in the description. Thank you so much.